Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore tools in Affinity Designer. If you've accidentally hidden some tools or your workspace feels incomplete, this quick fix will help you bring everything back to normal. It's a common issue that can happen after customizing your workspace or clicking the wrong option. So don't worry, your tools are usually just a few clicks away. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to have a file ready to work with. You can either open your existing file or create a new one to proceed. Having a document open makes it easier to confirm that all of your tools and interface elements have been restored correctly. Now let's focus on restoring your tools. Through the main menu, in the upper left toolbar, click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with various display options. From there, select Context Toolbar and then click Show. This action will make sure your context toolbar is visible, giving you access to tools that change based on what you're working on. Since the context toolbar updates based on the selected object or tool, restoring it can significantly improve your workflow. Alternatively, there's another way to access your tools if you prefer using the sidebar. Look at the bottom left of your screen, and you'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines. Click on it to open a menu panel. This gives you direct access to your workspace settings without having to navigate through the top menu bar. Many users find this shortcut faster when they frequently customize their workspace. Once you've clicked those 3 dotted lines, navigate to Tools. Here, you'll see all the available tools that Affinity Designer offers. This is your complete toolkit, and it's where you can verify whether everything is properly displayed or if something's been hidden. If a tool seems to be missing from your toolbar, this is one of the first places you should check. If you want more control over your workspace layout, you can also click on Toolbar within the same menu. This section lets you customize which tools appear and where they're positioned. It's particularly useful if you've rearranged things and want to find specific tools quickly. You can organize your workspace to match your workflow, making commonly used tools easier to access. And here's the most important part. If you want to completely reset your toolbar to its default state, simply click Reset Toolbar. This will undo any customizations you've made and restore everything to how it appeared when you first installed Affinity Designer. It's the quickest way to fix any tool visibility issues. If you're unsure what changes were made, or you've been experimenting with different layouts, performing a reset is often the fastest and easiest solution. So there you have it. Whether you're making tools visible again or doing a complete reset, these steps will get your Affinity Designer workspace back to working order. Once your workspace is restored, you can continue designing without missing any essential tools or panels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.